Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm calling this series Car Wash Chronicles so that I have another reason to take full advantage of my car wash payment plan, where I'm paying $10 a month for 3 months, and after that I think the price bumps up to $19.95 a month. I maybe need to ask them what plan they put me on, because it better not be this $36.99 plan.
Hi,
Good morning, how are ya?
good, how are you?
Great. How do I know what plan I'm on? Like, I don't know what they put me on after the 3 months at $10.
Let me check. You have the Happy membership, so that's our better plan. It's the
Can I get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it says
That's the 36
right
whatever
there,
a
car
month.
wash.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the 36.
And I'll just change that if I wanted to.
Yeah,
Go
you
down
can
to
change it
the...
or you can cancel it.
Because what's the lower plan called?
The lower plan is $20 a month.
And what is it called?
20 bucks.
Okay.
It's $20
The $20. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you.
Thank you.
See, I remember now, I had a friend in the car with me, number one, so I wasn't quite focusing. These folks really are happy now. I'm going to tell you that now. This is the Happy Car Wash, and these friends are, in fact, happy. But I had a friend with me when I was going through this car wash, and that friend has since signed up for this plan too. So I will have to send her a reminder to make sure that they don't get her like they got me and automatically sign me up for the Happy plan, which is $36.99 a month, and that's a bit pricey, friends. Unless you're the type of person who goes to the car wash at least once a week, plus twice a week. Now remember, now I live on the West Coast, so everything is higher on the West Coast, including gas, including car washes, etc. A car wash here is $16.99, I believe, is the price, plus taxes. Put your foot on the gas? You know how you go through the car wash and you're supposed to remain on neutral? Have your car in neutral gear? Literally, I had just picked my car up from having my entire SUV repainted because of a manufacturer defect in the paint, and went to get it washed, which was a no-no anyway, because I think the car needed to dry like in my garage for days. I've really messed that paint job up. But anyway, they ended up paying me like $2,000 or $3,000 on top of that, because really there was a serious paint defect in the paint job. I had a Mitsubishi Endeavor, best SUV I've ever had in life. Bought that baby off of the lot brand new and rode that thing till the wheels fell off. But I was chatting on the phone mindlessly and accidentally hit the gas button, and so that made my car advance even in a neutral gear on the tracks that automatically move you through an automatic car wash. And I hit the car in front of me. Don't tell nobody. That's why you should always have insurance.